Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to learn English on Duolingo app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded Duolingo app on your device. Once you open up it will land up you to this interface. You tap on this icon on top left corner. So here you can see that in order to learn English, tap on English. And here it will show you this kind of interface. Now here it will give you many tasks, like this is tasks of unit 1. Simply tap on it. Now it starts giving you many tasks. You need to read it and respond it. So it is giving you some sentence, you need to read it and you need to give the answer of the question. Now the question is, what does arrival mean? You need to select answer from these 3 options. If you want to select, simply tap on that answer, then it will be selected. Let me select this option. Simply tap on it. Now tap on check button. So you can see that it is incorrect. Now tap on got it to go to next task. So in this way you can learn English on Duolingo. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.